Along the cliff of Talmont-sur-Gironde stand about 15 carrelets. A carrelet is a fishing net stretched over a rectangular frame, and by extension the name carrelet has been given to all the fixed installations, pontoons, and cabins built for this use. Practiced on the Gironde estuary, as well as along the coast of Charenete-Maritime, this fishing technique is also widely used in the estuaries of the Charente and Loire. René Bénéteau welcomes us onto his carrelet to give us a demonstration. When we arrive, we have to untie it at each end, as it is moored against the wind. Then, the two rings are put onto the post to hold the net in place, which is then lowered to ground level using the winch.
On descend le filet jusqu'au niveau du sol. Et là, on attend 10 minutes, un quart d'heure.
Then we wait for 10 to 15 minutes and pull it back up to see if there are any fish inside.
Sinon, on le redescend.
If we haven't had any luck, we'll lower it back down for another 10 to 15 minutes.
Du profit. Ça là pour le plaisir.
Not here to make a profit, we're here to kick back. It's all about having a nice time with friends.
Bon, selon le poisson.
And then, depending on the catch, we can tuck into some mullet, eel, a bit of sea bass, shrimp, or even some sole.
Sinon, la pêche.
A good day's catch is just down to potluck.